Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on Picsart, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we go to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can uninstall your app, then you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.